Now, what about glaucoma and cataracts? Do you know that they are all diseases of the Western world? And it's purely reflected on the diet that people are eating. So what should we be eating? We should be eating a diet that's high in fiber.
Dr. Barbara reveals the best foods for your eyes, beginning by explaining how fiber is beneficial for eye health and emphasizing the importance of plant-based foods rich in fiber. Now let's understand how fiber benefits eye health. Fiber plays an essential role in eye health by supporting blood sugar regulation, cholesterol management, circulation, and nutrient absorption, all of which indirectly benefit eyesight. By slowing down sugar absorption, fiber helps prevent blood sugar spikes, which is crucial for reducing the risk of diabetic retinopathy, a condition that can damage the blood vessels in the retina. Fiber also aids in lowering LDL cholesterol, which is associated with age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and other retinal issues. Managing cholesterol may protect against AMD by preventing the buildup of drusen deposits under the retina. Additionally, fiber supports healthy circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach the optic nerve and retina, thereby reducing the risk of glaucoma. Finally, fiber-rich foods often contain essential vision protective nutrients, like vitamins A, C, and E, as well as lutein, and fiber enhances their absorption to ensure these nutrients effectively reach the eyes. Some of the richest plant-based foods that are high in fiber include carrots, sweet potatoes, kale, broccoli, and oats, to name a few. Carrots and sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which supports night vision and helps prevent cataracts, while their fiber content stabilizes blood sugar. Kale, spinach, and avocados are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that filter blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Avocados also contain healthy fats that improve nutrient absorption. Broccoli, bell peppers, and oranges provide vitamin C, which supports collagen in the eye, reduces oxidative damage, and supports retinal health. Oats offer soluble fiber that lowers cholesterol, benefiting blood vessel health around the retina. Lastly, chickpeas are high in zinc, which supports melanin production for night vision. Together, these foods contribute to healthier eyes by balancing blood sugar, supporting circulation, and providing essential nutrients for vision. Dr. Barbara highlights the benefits of legumes for eye health.
Generous amounts of protein, because every membrane around every cell is 50% protein. And you saw in my DNA lecture, the body needs amino acids to build new cells. So we need protein. And the best protein, the cleanest burning fuel protein, is legumes.
As you have heard, Dr. Barbara swears by legumes, describing them as a clean and powerful source of protein. Let's now dive into the reasons why legumes are so beneficial for eye health. Legumes, including beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas, are excellent for eye health due to their high levels of fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals like zinc. Research has demonstrated that these nutrients can protect against various eye conditions, such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD, cataracts, and diabetic retinopathy. Here's a scientific look at why legumes benefit eye health, backed by studies. Legumes are rich in soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels, both critical for eye health. High blood sugar can damage blood vessels in the eyes, contributing to diabetic retinopathy, while high cholesterol is linked to age-related macular degeneration, AMD. A study published in JAMA Ophthalmology 2020 found that dietary fiber intake, particularly from plant sources like legumes, was associated with a reduced risk of developing AMD. The fiber in legumes helps prevent rapid blood sugar spikes, benefiting people with diabetes and reducing the risk of diabetic retinopathy. Legumes are also a great source of zinc, a mineral essential for producing melanin, a pigment that protects the eyes. Zinc is especially beneficial for maintaining night vision and overall retinal health. Research in the Archives of Ophthalmology 2001, part of the Age-Related Eye Disease Study, AREDX, revealed that higher zinc intake was associated with a lower risk of advanced AMD. Zinc helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it produces melanin, a pigment that shields the eyes from damage. Lentils and chickpeas in particular are high in zinc and can contribute to maintaining night vision. Although legumes contain lower levels of lutein and zeaxanthin than leafy greens, they still contribute to the intake of these antioxidants. These compounds accumulate in the retina and protect against harmful blue light and oxidative damage. A study published in Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science, 2014, highlighted that lutein and zeaxanthin could reduce oxidative stress in retinal cells and filter high-energy blue light, reducing the risk of AMD and cataracts. While legumes are not the richest source of these antioxidants, adding them to a diet can support cumulative intake, especially when paired with other sources. Legumes are high in plant-based antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help protect the retina from oxidative damage. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are contributors to AMD and other degenerative eye conditions. A study in Molecular Vision, 2017, examined the impact of a diet rich in antioxidants on retinal health and found that antioxidant-rich foods, including legumes, could reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in retinal cells. The polyphenols and flavonoids in legumes have shown anti-inflammatory effects, which may help reduce the risk of retinal damage. Legumes, especially lentils and black beans, contain moderate levels of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells in the eyes from oxidative damage, thus reducing the risk of cataracts. A study in Ophthalmology, 2005, found that individuals with higher vitamin E intake had a lower incidence of cataracts. Vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals, which can otherwise cause protein clumping in the lens, leading to cataract formation. Incorporating legumes as a source of vitamin E may support lens health and prevent cataracts. The fiber, antioxidants, and nutrients in legumes support cardiovascular health, including the health of the tiny blood vessels that supply the eyes. Good circulation is essential for preventing glaucoma, a condition where pressure damages the optic nerve due to poor blood flow. Research in Circulation 2019 found that a diet high in plant-based foods like legumes was linked to improved blood vessel function and lower blood pressure. Better vascular health can enhance blood flow to the retina and optic nerve, potentially reducing the risk of glaucoma and maintaining overall eye health.
And nuts and seeds.
Dr. Barbara discusses the best nuts and seeds for eye health. Dr. Barbara continues by highlighting the benefits of certain nuts and seeds for eye health. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects eye cells from oxidative damage, particularly in the retina and lens, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. The Age-Related Eye Disease Study, AREDS, by the National Eye Institute showed that higher vitamin E intake is linked to a lower risk of advanced AMD. Just 1 ounce of almonds provides about 7.3 milligrams of vitamin E, nearly half the recommended daily intake, making almonds one of the best sources of this essential nutrient for eye health. Walnuts contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which supports retinal health, along with antioxidants like vitamin E and zinc. Omega-3s are crucial for maintaining cell membrane integrity in the retina and reducing inflammation, helping protect against AMD and dry eye syndrome. A study in Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science found that diets high in omega-3s are associated with a reduced risk of AMD, making walnuts an ideal eye protective option, particularly for vegetarians and vegans who seek plant-based omega-3 sources. Flax seeds are rich in ALA omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, making them beneficial for eye health, particularly for dry eye syndrome. The omega-3s in flax seeds support tear production and reduce inflammation, while the fiber aids blood sugar regulation, indirectly supporting eye health. A study published in Cornea indicated that omega-3 supplementation could reduce dry eye symptoms, and adding flax seeds to the diet can help promote eye lubrication and reduce inflammation. Sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E and zinc, both essential for eye health. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting eye cells from damage, while zinc supports antioxidant enzymes in the retina. According to the AREDS study, zinc combined with antioxidants can slow AMD progression. Just a handful of sunflower seeds provides over half the recommended daily intake of vitamin E, making them a valuable snack for eye protection. Chia seeds are loaded with ALA omega-3s, fiber, and polyphenol antioxidants, which help protect eye health. The omega-3s support retinal structure and function, while fiber helps maintain blood sugar stability, crucial for preventing diabetic retinopathy. A study in Nutrients highlighted that chia seeds' polyphenols help reduce oxidative stress, which can otherwise damage retinal cells. Incorporating chia seeds into meals can support retinal health and blood sugar balance. Pistachios contain significant amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants concentrated in the retina that protect against blue light and reduce the risk of AMD. These antioxidants absorb high-energy blue light, safeguarding retinal cells. A study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that diets high in these compounds correlate with a decreased risk of AMD and cataracts. Pistachios are one of the only nuts rich in these eye-specific antioxidants, making them uniquely beneficial for protecting vision. Hazelnuts provide a strong dose of vitamin E, zinc, and healthy fats, all beneficial for eye health. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant against oxidative stress, while zinc supports retinal function and night vision. Findings from the ARED study indicate that vitamin E can help prevent AMD, while zinc aids in converting vitamin A into melanin, a pigment that shields the eyes. Hazelnuts offer these antioxidants and minerals in a balanced way to support long-term eye health. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, magnesium, and vitamin E, which together support eye health. Zinc aids vitamin A metabolism, crucial for maintaining night vision, while magnesium supports healthy blood flow to the eyes. A study in ophthalmology indicated that zinc deficiency could impair night vision, underscoring the importance of zinc for melanin production in the eyes. Including pumpkin seeds in your diet can help protect vision, especially in low-light conditions. Brazil nuts are a top source of selenium, a trace mineral with antioxidant properties that works with vitamin E to protect the lens and retina from oxidative damage, potentially lowering the risk of cataracts and AMD. A study in experimental eye research showed that selenium deficiency is linked to increased cataract risk, highlighting the importance of this mineral for eye health. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts daily provide enough selenium to support the eye's antioxidant defenses. Well, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content on eye health and other wellness tips.